All right, so before we get started, make sure you've got a couple things. You should always have a ruler and something to write with. So now we're going to take a look at these four representations, and I notice I've got a table that has a couple of values, and I've got a single tile pattern. I've got figure 1, which it's hard to see with given this copy, but I know that there are 7 tiles, and if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's accurate. All right, so now let's figure out how to do this. So I know I've got figure 1 has 7 tiles and figure 4 has 13. So how am I going to figure out this growth? Well, let's first figure out how many am I leaping. I'm going up plus 3 tiles, and when I add 3 tiles, not tiles, figures, I'm going up 3 figures and I'm adding 6 tiles. So what happens if I only go up 1 figure? Well, that's a third here, so what's a third here? That means I'm only going to go up 2, because I've got to go up 2, 4, 6. So let's go ahead and add 2 in this direction, right? Now what happens when I go like this? Right, I subtract 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Well, you know what? We just figured out the growth. If I'm adding 2 each time, there's the growth, which is the m, right? So up here on m, I'm going to write plus 2. The b value, what's that? That's our starting point. Where's the starting point? When x equals 0. So our b is a positive 5. Our rule, y equals m, which is 2x. Don't forget the x. A lot of kids seem to forget that. And then plus b value, which is 5. All right, so now let's see what's next. Let's go ahead and make our graph. Now I notice the highest number is 13. I know from my earlier problem that this goes to 12 in each direction, which is only 1 off, and I'm okay with that. I don't mind going off the grid by 1 or 2 points. So I'm going to continue sticking with my 1, 2, 3, 4 in each direction. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Next, I've got 0, 5, so I'm just going to be marking these out. 1, 7, 2, 9, 3, 11, 4 is 13. So here's 12, here's 13 off of the grid. And again, we've encountered that before, so it's nothing I'm particularly concerned about. And write an arrow at the end of each part of these. Now, notice figure 1 has 7 straight in a row. Well, if we're going to be adding 2 each time, we've got to add a way that makes sense. Well, since I've got a straight line, I'm going to keep it at a straight line. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for figure 2. And then same thing, so here are the 9, 10, 11 for figure 3. And if I work backwards, what is figure 0? 5. So that one's going to be nice and easy, just to put 5 in a row. And so here is figure 0. Well, that one was pretty quick. We got the rule, we finished the table, we made the graph, and a tile pattern. Nicely done.